Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Handmade by Ava Evan. Welcome back and thank you for watching. Today we're going to do an unboxing of one of the Etsy shops that we order from, which is called Polly's Place. So let's see what we got. We order through this one regularly. She's got a lot of cool stuff that she has in her Etsy shop. Alrighty. Let's see what we got. So we got a lot of ribbon in here that we have. Let's see. Seam binding. Ribbon. Let's see if I can move you guys closer. There we go. So there's the one package we have. And then these ones are a lot of blues and reds. It's patriotic, it looks like. And then here's some blue and pink and green. There's a white one. Some green and white. I think we're going to use these for our baby journals. There's that one. And there's a pretty pink one with brown. Pink and white. There's some rainbow ones in this one. You can see them. Here's the second one. So we order a lot from her at Polly's Place, and that's on Etsy. So and we got all these ones. We have a pink. And then there's a purple. Kind of like a cream color. And then there's a green one. And there's a dark, like a hunter green, forest green color. And then a brown. There's like a periwinkle blue kind of color. Purple. It's a blue color. And a green one. And there's like a burgundy reddish maroon color. And then kind of like a peachy color. And we also have these purples here. And then we got a stamp. There it is. There's the back. And that's all we got from her. So thank you for joining me. Go ahead and get on Etsy and check her out. She's an awesome seller on there, and we really like her product. So thanks for joining me. Please like and subscribe. And I hope everybody is having a wonderful day. and we will see you next time. All right, guys. Thank you for joining us.